Alright guys, welcome back to the video. Today what I want to cover are the trades that we did today on Wednesday, July 15th. So basically I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what option we bought at what expiration and at what strike. And basically explain the trades. If you are in the Discord server, you got to take advantage of the trades that were announced today, and most of these trades were announced in the server. There's probably just one or two that I just got on my own. But basically, let's get into it. If you'd like to join the Discord server, there's going to be a link in the description. You can click that link, take you right to the Discord server, and then you'll be able to try out the platform for 7 days completely free. And then later on, you can use those profits that you've gotten in those 7 days of trading to go ahead and maybe purchase a membership, as it does pay for itself. So let's get into the first trade, which is CBOE. What we did here was, this is more so of a swing trade. It's going to this contract expires December 18th, and another one December 18th. One of it is a 105 call, and another one is a 120 call option. Bought 10 of each, and then the 6% profit so far. This has only been active for a couple hours actually. Bought it towards market close, and we're already in the green. Although we're probably going to see some red soon, as we're holding this until December. So we're not closing this position until our expiration hits, or if I want to close it maybe a little ahead of December 18th, then I will do that. Anyways, trade that was announced by the analyst. That one wasn't announced by the analyst. Actually, some other option analyst on the server announced this one, his long swing trade to December. But anyways, this day trade here for JP Morgan, we did buy $95 put at the expiration of the 31st of July, and we were able to profit on that $120 right now, and we did close it, so that was a successful trade. McDonald's MCD, another successful trade, a profit of $100 on that. If we can get this to open, perfect. 187.5 put expires the 31st of July. So trades did go in our favor, as we did end up profiting on it. NCLH, now this one I was taking a look at the options flow. I did see a big order for this type of contract, so I went ahead and purchased this contract. I took a look at the technicals before purchasing the contract, of course, and it seemed good. And here we are up 65% so far, with the profits of $460. And this was this is a $18 call, expires July 17th. So I'll probably exercise this maybe tomorrow morning. We'll have to look at where the markets are at, right? When it comes to that. STC was another trade I was testing from, just playing around with that. We just lost $30 on it, but this was not announced by the analyst. Take note. This was just a random trade. SPY, we end up profiting $131 on it. Take this open here. So that one was the one that we profited on was a 315 strike put, expires 31st of July. This one here, it was a loss on my end because I didn't close the trade when I needed to, but we just closed it at a small loss and then profited the difference on SPY, which was good. 315 put, expires 31st of July. And then Uber was a swing trade. Let's close that. Uber was a swing trade from yesterday, of the 14th of July. We were able to profit 670 from it, and it was a 31 strike call at 31st of July. So those are basically the trades that we've taken on the from the Discord server. The analyst announces his trades every day of the market. So if you'd like to take advantage of that and make some money with the rest of the members there, go ahead and click the link in the description. You have no risk to trying it out besides the risk of the capital that you put up. But from the results that you see that it's very profitable, high probability of success. Now, this is just as a disclaimer. We're not, any financial advisor. The trades that he just posts are the trades that, you can, or whatever you want to do with the knowledge that you gain from there, you can go ahead and proceed. So don't take this as a financial advice of what to do with your money. But those are the trades, those are the results. You can go ahead and do it whatever you please. So go ahead. I'll see you guys in the server, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace, guys.